Advanced grammar, conditionals and modals in real context. Ever get confused by phrases like, if I were you, I'd do it? You might want to check it out. Conditionals and modals can be tricky, but they are also powerful tools for clear and confident communication. In this video, I'll break down these advanced grammar topics with real-life examples so you can use them like a pro. Hi, I'm Anara, and welcome to Tech English Pro. With 7 years of teaching experience and certifications in TEFL and TESOL, I help learners like you master English in practical and engaging ways. If you're ready to level up your grammar, hit that subscribe button now. Let's dive into conditionals and modals, two essential grammar tools for making suggestions, getting advice, and talking about possibilities. I'll show you how they work with examples you can use right away. Number 1, conditionals in action. Conditionals help you talk about possibilities and hypothetical situations. Second conditional, use it for unreal or hypothetical ideas. For example, if I were you, I would apply for the scholarship. Third conditional, use it to talk about the past. For example, if I had studied more, I would have passed. These sentences let you discuss advice, regrets, or imaginary scenarios. Number 2, modals for possibility and advice. Modals add nuances to your sentences. Use might or could to talk about possibilities. For example, we might go to the beach this weekend. Or, you could try a different approach. Use should for giving advice. For example, you should call her back. These words make your sentences sound more polite and professional. Number 3, real-life contexts. Here's how these grammar tools come alive. In a job interview, if I were hired, I'd bring fresh ideas to the team. Planning a trip? We could visit Paris if we have time. Giving advice? You might want to check out that new restaurant. Practice these and you'll sound more natural and confident in any conversation. Special bonus tip, use online tools to practice conditionals and modals in real sentences. Apps like Grammarly or British Council's app can help you get feedback and improve fast. Conditionals and modals are your grammar's superpowers. Start practicing them today and watch your English skills soar. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and comment your favorite example below. Let's master your English together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.